Episode 2. Your body is smarter than you are. Your body is not a machine. It's an intelligent system, a sensory system, a learning system. And it's constantly taking in information, constantly updating, constantly adapting, even when you're not aware of it. We tend to think the brain is running the show. But your fascia, your posture, your breath, your movement patterns, all of it feeds the nervous system faster than thought ever can. Your body reacts before you do. It anticipates before you decide. It adjusts before you understand what's happening. This is not a flaw, it's an advantage. Your body is designed to protect you, to support you, to organize you. But here's the part most people never realize. Your body doesn't respond to what you think is happening. It responds to what it feels is happening. If your structure feels collapsed, your body prepares for collapse. If your breath is shallow, your body prepares for threat. If your posture is braced, your body prepares for impact. And you start living in a version of yourself that isn't actually you, but a prediction, a guess, an old adaptation. When your body becomes smarter than your awareness, you don't feel at home in yourself. The goal of adaptive bodywork is not to fix you, or stretch you, or make you perform. It's to restore the conversation between your body and your mind, to bring sensation back online, to bring awareness back into the tissues, to let your structure reorganize itself around who you are now, not who you had to be then. When your body and your mind are aligned, you stop fighting yourself. You stop bracing. You stop overthinking movement. You just move, easily, effortlessly, intelligently, and you feel human again. Stay tuned for episode 3. Getting out of pain is not the goal.